I mean, seriously, who does that? We do a lot on social media, be it Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, so we fully accept that we are leaving ourselves open for critique and criticism, which is fine. We're pretty thick-skinned. Everyone's got their own opinions. Say what you like, really doesn't bother me, but sometimes people just... I've never in my life sat down and seen anything on social media, again, be it YouTube or Facebook or whatever, and thought, you know what, I'm going to search up the details of that car and pass. It's a custom car that hasn't actually gone onto the road yet and been in full use. It's done some relatively localized testing during completion, but the owner has not updated the DVLA with the colour that the car now is. Because yes, it was a red Daimler, it's now a grey Daimler. So thank you for being vigilant, sir, and pointing that one out. Really appreciate that. Wow, this has gone absolutely mad. In the first 24 hours, we had over 20,000 views on this car. And I have been replying, or we have been replying to quite a few of the comments, but there's a lot and we can't keep up. So I thought I'd just do a quick across the board video saying thank you so much for your feedback on this. I know the owner's going to really appreciate it. And we also understand, and the customer understands, that there are going to be elements which are Marmite. It's the joys of a custom car. This car is built to the owner's vision, which isn't everybody's vision, but it's a great looking thing. He loves it, which is the main thing. And by the looks of it, most of you people out there do as well. So it's always amazing the explosion of interest we get with anything Jaguar. So see what happens with the XK150 that's coming up. On the point of Jaguars, though, we saw the sad news over the weekend that Harry Metcalf is putting his XJC into auction in November up at the NEC. So sad to see him part company with it, but equally we fully appreciate you can't keep them all. And with that many cars in the collection, at some point you've got to do something. So we'll be watching with bated breath to see what sort of money that that fetches. Because as Harry said, what's it worth? What's this worth? Everybody knows roughly what Harry has spent on the video, on the car, sorry. He was very transparent with that. I've got a good idea of how much money's been spent on this car. For resale, are they worth it? That kind of money? No. But that goes back to the why bother painting your car and so on. Previous videos that we've done. So yeah, I'll keep this fairly brief. Thank you again for the views on this one. If you haven't seen it yet, check the link, look at the video. Say what you like about it, but don't go too Inspector Clouseau as to, you know, it's not a concourse factory car. It is a custom car. So it is all custom. We have got so much coming up. We've got lots of videos coming up now. There's a huge amount going on in the workshop. We've also been asked by a couple of people now, because it appears every now and in the background, to do something on our Escalade, which is actually a video that I've been planning in my head for a little while. There will be a degree of scripting to this one because there's quite a few... The angle I'm looking at going down with the video, there's quite a few bits of information I need to do on paper because I will forget. Because it's ours, we can do a road test with it. We can show you how we live with it, which is incredibly easy. But there is actually a sort of a debate spin that we're looking at doing with the video. So it's early Monday morning. I'll stop waffling. I'll get this quickly edited and uploaded, and we'll be back with some proper videos, with some proper work going on very, very soon. Thanks again for this. Like, subscribe, share. You know, the numbers are building now and we really appreciate it. So thanks again. See you on Saturday with the BMW 635 CSI full repaint.